You say you're ambitious, but somehow, you just can't seem to get started. You've got these big dreams in your head. Maybe you want to make a lot of money. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to work for yourself or do something meaningful, or just not feel stuck all the time. You can see the life you want, at least in your imagination. But when it comes time to actually do something about it, you freeze, or you distract yourself, or you put it off. And now, you're watching this video, probably hoping it will spark something inside you, hoping it will finally push you to do the thing you've been avoiding. But here's the hard truth. You've probably been stuck like this for a while, and if you don't figure out what's actually really going on beneath the surface, you will stay stuck like that for more months. Even if you keep calling yourself lazy, that's not actually the real reason you haven't started. So today, I'm making this video because overcoming my own laziness completely changed my life. I used to be just an anxious kid from a low middle class background, full of hopes, dreams and ambitions, but I wasn't doing anything to make them real. I let procrastination hold me back for way too long. But once I pushed past that laziness and took consistent action, everything started to shift. Now, I've built a business that brings in $1,000 a day in profit. And none of it would have ever happened if I'd stayed stuck in the same old mindset. The truth is simple. You are not lazy. Your brain is just doing what it's designed to do. Your brain's main job is to keep you safe and comfortable. So whenever you think about doing something big or new, like starting a business, changing your habits, or building a new life, your brain says, hold on, that sounds scary, that sounds hard. Let's not do that. Let's stay here where it's safe. Even if your current situation is boring or frustrating, your brain would rather have you stay there than risk doing something unknown. That's why you avoid doing the things you know you should do. It's not because you're broken, it's not because you're lazy, it's because your brain is scared. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. When you think about starting something big, like making money online, learning a new skill, or working toward a dream, your brain just doesn't think about one small step. It thinks about all the steps. It pictures everything you'll need to do, and then it dumps all of that pressure on you all at once. So no wonder why you feel overwhelmed. You freeze. You tell yourself, it's too much, I can't do this. That's like giving a 5-year-old a giant pile of homework and expecting them to finish it all in one day. Of course they're going to freak out. That's exactly what you're doing to yourself. You're expecting to go from doing nothing to doing everything perfectly somehow. That is not how real progress works. That's how burnout happens. That's how you give up before you even start. Let me tell you a little about my own story so you know this isn't just talk. I grew up in a low middle class family. We didn't really have much money. 5 years ago, I only had something like $400 to my name. I hated school. Every internship I ever did made me feel miserable. I felt like I was being pushed into a life I didn't want. But I had this dream. I wanted to make $10,000 per month and even more. I wanted to be successful. I wanted to prove to my parents that I wasn't a failure and that you could make money online. I didn't want to live a boring 9-to-5 life and literally just not have control over my life, no freedom. So I went all in. I followed the hustle advice. I woke up at 5 in the morning. I worked for 10 to 12 hours a day. I barely rested. I thought, if I just worked hard enough, something would click. But sadly, nothing clicked. I just burnt out and fast. I was stressed, tired, and still not making any real progress. And here's the funny part. I had a friend who only worked 4 hours a day. He didn't go crazy with long days. He didn't wake up at 5, but he made steady progress. He showed up every day, did the work, and then relaxed. And slowly but surely, he started to pass me. His business started growing, his income went up. All because he was consistent. That's when I learned one of the most important lessons of my whole life. Big changes don't happen all at once. Big changes happen when small steps are repeated over and over. Just like going to the gym. You don't walk in on day 1 and start lifting the heaviest weights. You start light. You learn the movements first. You build strengths, you build habits. You show up even and especially when you don't feel like it. That is what makes the difference. It's not motivation, it's not intensity. It's showing up and just doing the small stuff every day. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots speed up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. The reason you're still not taking action isn't because you're lazy, it's because you're still waiting to feel ready. But let me be honest with you, that feeling isn't coming. You'll never wake up one day and magically feel totally ready and confident and motivated. That's not how it works. What actually happens is you take action first, even when you're actually scared, even when you don't feel ready. And then the confidence comes later. You start to feel capable after you've started, not before. Another reason you're stuck is because you're used to your current life. Even if it's not great, at least it's familiar. You know what to expect. Change, even if it's good change, feels scary. So you stay in the same loop. You scroll on your phone. You say you'll start tomorrow. You wait for some perfect moment that never comes. And deep down, part of you might even believe that if the dream was really meant for you, it would have already happened by now. But that is not true. The dream is still there for a reason, and it's not going away anytime soon. In fact, the longer you ignore it, the more it's going to haunt you. So what can you actually do about this? What's something real and simple you can start doing today, even if you feel stuck, scared, or overwhelmed? Start by writing down your fears. Grab a piece of paper or on your phone and just write out everything you're afraid of. Make a list. Maybe you're afraid of failing. Maybe you're afraid people will judge you, laugh at you, humiliate you. Maybe you're scared you'll waste time and money. Whatever it is, write it down. When you do this, your fear stops being some invisible thing that's just in your head. It becomes something you can see, something you can deal with. And once it's real, you can face it. Then, do one small, uncomfortable thing every day. Just one. It could be anything. Send an email you've been avoiding. Make a short video. Post something online. Wake up 10 minutes earlier. Just do one thing that makes you a little nervous and will help you reach your goal. That's how you start rewiring your brain. You're teaching it, hey, discomfort is okay. I can handle this. Over time, your brain starts to trust you more. You become someone who does hard things, and that changes your identity. Next, you want to build a habit loop. This means creating a pattern that's easy to repeat. Keep it simple. Pick something that doesn't take much effort. Maybe reading one page of a book, or writing for 10 minutes, or walking for 5 minutes. The goal is to make it so easy you can't say no. But once you get started, once you do it, your brain gets a small reward, a little hit of dopamine. That makes it easier to do it again the next day, and the next. That's how real habits are built. Not by doing a lot all at once, but by doing a little over and over again. Focus on progress, not perfection. You don't need to get it right the first time. You don't need to have the best plan. You don't even need to know exactly where you're going. You just need to do something, anything. One step, then another, because done is always better than perfect. You are not lazy. You're just scared. Or maybe no one ever taught you how to actually build a discipline. Or maybe you've never seen what real consistency looks like. And that's okay. You're not broken. You're just at the beginning. But the longer you wait, the worse it gets. Regret grows over time. That dream you keep ignoring, it's not going to disappear. It's going to stay in your head, whispering to you every time you see someone else succeed. Every time another year passes and nothing changes. Every time you lie in bed, wondering what your life could have been if you had just started. So stop waiting. Stop saying, oh, I'm going to start tomorrow. Oh, I'm just going to do more research. Oh, I'll just think about it. Stop convincing yourself that you need more motivation, because you don't. You just need to move. Motivation comes when you start taking action and you start seeing results. Start something today, even if you're scared, even if it's messy, even if you don't even know what the next step is. Just try something, anything. You'll get more answers as you go. You don't need to change everything overnight. You just need to do one small thing today, and then again tomorrow, and then the day after that. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots speed up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. You don't have to be fearless. Successful people are scared all the time. They just learn to be brave and do it regardless of how they feel. That's what courage means. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. The dream is still possible. You just have to stop thinking about it and finally go ahead and do something about it. Now look, I know that a minority of people are serious about becoming financially free and will stop at nothing to win. If that's you, then click the link in the description below, because I've made a video where I'm explaining how I've made thousands of dollars per day, literally just working from home in my bathrobe. And right now, we're also offering free strategic calls with me or a member of my team to help you come up with a custom game plan to help you reach financial freedom in 90 days or less. But be quick, because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. And soon, we'll probably take the video down. So click on the link in the description below. And with that being said, I'll see you on the other side.